And Krista, at the end of July, I Do Bridal Boutique closed its doors. Dozens of brides showed up looking for answers. Now the state wants the shop owner to pay them back. Finding the perfect wedding dress can't be easy. For brides shopping at I Do Bridal Boutique, the stress of planning their special day has only gotten harder.
We started an investigation and quickly determined that we needed to file a lawsuit.
Scott Barnhart is the director of the Consumer Protection Division for the Attorney General's office. He says dozens of brides reported the shop to them. What were the complaints like that you received?
Sure. So the complaints generally had a theme of they entered into a transaction or contract with the boutique and didn't receive what they had paid for.
Barnhart says that they filed a lawsuit. 30 brides are cited, each with the exact amount of money they spent at the store. Barnhart says the state wants to get that money back.
What we are after is fairness and doing right by the consumer.
He says the brides say they didn't get what they paid for, including gowns, bridal wear, dry cleaning, and preservation services. The lawsuit claims Tisha Lapp and More Bridal LLC engaged in deceptive practices.
I believe that there are some consumers that were harmed as a part of their interactions with these defendants.
Last week, officials with the Attorney General's office were let inside the bridal shop. They were able to return some dresses to the brides. Is this something that's common in our state?
Yeah, it doesn't happen a lot. It happens enough for us to do investigations.
The lawsuit also wants to ban the shop's owner from the bridal industry entirely until the state obtains a $75,000 bond.
If they have not filed a consumer complaint already, I would encourage folks to do that.
Well, the owner is also being sued by Coliseum Shops for failure to pay rent there. That initial hearing will take place, though, October 3rd. For 21 Investigates, I'm Carly Van Cleve.